In this video, we're going to learn about division. So if we have a problem like this one that says divide, and this is the symbol for division. So we're trying to figure out how many times 2 fits into 6. So if you don't have that memorized, you should take a look at this chart and try to memorize it. So this means 2. How many times does 2 fit into 2? It only fits once. How many times does 2 fit into 4? It fits twice. How many times does 2 fit into 6? It fits 3 times. How many times does 2 fit into 8? It fits 4 times. So you definitely need to start memorizing charts like this. And so for our problem here, we could see that we're looking for how many times 2 fits into 6. And the answer is right here. So it's this one. 2 fits into 6 3 times. And let me see if I could put that in this little box. That's the answer. So don't worry if you don't understand right away, and don't feel worried about having to memorize these divisions. Sometimes if you write them out over and over, that helps a lot to help you remember. And just remember that practice makes improvement.